vibration.
Good morning everybody, it's Sarah here from Burning Gas Hauling Ass, and today, guess what day it is? We've been leading up to this day for a bit of time now, and it's today. So we're headed through to Harley Davidson out in Glasgow. It's West Coast Harley Davidson out there, and we're taking the extra parts that Gareth bought for the Street Glide Stage 5 upgrade. So that's where we're going to go. He's taking the bike, I'm following behind in the car with all the bits and bobs. So you're going to get a couple of different perspectives today. We're going to take you through, we'll let you see the bike going in, the parts going in, the mountings and stuff that Gareth's got for it. And then they are going to get started on that, I believe, today or tomorrow. So we're hoping to get obviously back through to capture some of the build as it goes. So let's see how today goes, and we'll see you guys soon.
Fucking die. Huh? I think so. I think that's what it needs. I think it needs 22s. It's my opinion. Sure. How further over? Alright, mate. Can't see shit with this helmet on. Huh? I can't hear a word.
Service mode.
Service mode.
So you shut it off, both indicators at the same time.
What?
Ignition on. Do it. Just like he's the
Right. Well, that, the ignition's on.
he's a service guy, just like
No, it's no. It's no. Give me a minute.
that's not the customer's job to do that.
Listen, I could end up working here at some point, so let's just pretend.
Turn the ignition off and press both.
Right, so ignition's on.
Turn it off.
Yep.
Both indicators together.
Okay guys, so that's us at West Coast Harley. As you can imagine, here we are, wife, bike, place nice and clean here, but shame most of it's getting tore off because it's all getting replaced. Suspension, air filters, cylinders, master cylinders. So yeah, it's going to be a different bike the next time we see her. So the next time we'll be through will be to catch some recording footage. Hopefully my glorious Mrs. Burning Gas Hauling Ass will be able to take the day off and come through with the recorder. if she can wangle another day off.
Perhaps.
It says it all. So yeah, to be continued.
So we made it through to West Coast. The bike is put in its little space and it is now time to offload the goods. Nice little, there's a box. It's how to reach the goods in there, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Oh, it's the only thing about having a pickup truck. You can never reach.
Really rushing.
What have you got there, guy?
This is a technical device that we use to reach the back of a pickup truck because I didn't bring my little hop up step because I'm such a short ass. I have to go in here so I can get in bits.
Technical way of reaching parts. Oh no! Need to hook it.
I'm trying to hook it. There you go.
There we go. Sorted. What did you go in and ask for? Have you got a technical picking device?
No, I just asked for a damn rush. And I think they looked at me a bit funny as if to say, you can ask for a few strange things in the time here. Right, so let's try and get this all in at the same time.
Oh.
So, what's up guys? As you just seen, it's been 7 days later. We got the call. If you've seen the YouTube video I put up on Wednesday, it was saying that the bike was in its final stages. You've seen the pistons were still to go on. So yesterday, we got the call. Engine's been complete. It's been out for its test ride. I've heard a running clip off the bike, obviously running. It sounds like a bit of an animal because of the extra add-ons that we got put on for the engine, such as the S&S intakes, and we have the headers coming as well. So it's sounding really good. Can't wait to get it back, get out for a little test ride. But right now what we're doing is we're going to go through to the dealership, through to West Coast, have a look at it, look at the build, see what we think of it before we get the bike delivered back to the house. So, as you can see, I've got Mrs. Burning Gas hauling ass right beside me, and I'm trying to encourage her to take it out for a test ride when some of us have to work for a living.
Nope.
No? I think she'll take it for a test ride. I really, really do. But that's another story. So, if you hold on guys, the next clip will be us. We'll be at the dealership and I'll get a little bit of running on the bike itself. And we'll move on from there, and hopefully coming soon we'll do a full motovlog on the stage 5 running and a test ride to see what it actually is like on the mean streets of Scotland. So, right, speak to you soon. So guys, this is the Beast is returned, Project DFD. Stage 5 is complete. Sitting there, you can see a few modifications that I've installed. We've got the S&S dual air intakes there, plastic supply voice cover. It doesn't really look much, but wolf in sheep's clothing comes to mind. Moving up here, there's your Roland Sands 8-pounders. Here, Kuryakin industrial mirrors sitting there. Sets off the front end very well. Anybody has any questions about using 19-inch 8-pounders, don't have any concerns. They are fantastic to ride with. Obviously on that side as well. Sweeping down towards here, we had this from before, so we have the front light, skirt, whatever you want to call it, cat covers. Now you can't really see it just now, but you've actually got the Legend suspensions, 1-inch lowering kit on the front. You can physically see it. If you're used to a Street Glide Special, you'll actually see the difference in the ride height just looking at it there. Coming round to the rear, now that's, if anybody's ever going to ask, that is an actual seat from Harley Davidson that we do supply. If anybody wants to ask me any questions, feel free to drop me a question in the comments below the video. But that is a Harley seat, and it goes quite well with the pearlescent grey. Now if you come across here with the saddlebags, you will see that nice Legend suspensions, Revo A rear suspension. Coming round, see it again here. Alright, and coming across. So looking at it, you wouldn't really think that there's much been done to this bike, but it's all engine work that's all been done this time round. It needs a good clean. It's been in the workshop for a while, but yeah, this is my daily runner. So it's going to be an interesting learning curve. It's very powerful. The torque itself alone. I have started the bike, and you can tell the difference right away. So.
We're at these bars, you're smiling at me.